Pixar Fireworks.
Sure did.
Together Forever, I think is what the show is called.
Sounds right.
Cody, what are your thoughts?
It was a good fireworks show. It wasn't, it wasn't Happily Ever After. It wasn't Star Wars show. I don't know. So from where we were on Main Street. The castle's really hard to see. I'm not trying to take shots at Disneyland, but the castle's hard to see, and they didn't have Buzz Lightyear, which apparently is supposed to be, he's supposed to fly behind the castle, I guess, kind of like Tinkerbell does it at ours, in Walt Disney World. And it just didn't have that magical feel. Like Happily Ever After, it's like,
I feel like they can make a better Pixar collab than
right, sure, right.
Like I feel like I could do that.
Right.
But I also I also think I'm way better than what I actually am.
Well, right. Don't we all? But so to your point, it just seemed like all they did was
just throw random moments.
Throw fireworks up to Pixar theme. Here's what it was for me. It was like if you were to go to a sporting event, like for us, the Rangers shoot fireworks off at their games all the time. So you go to a baseball game, and they do fireworks after the game for 10 or 15 minutes. And it's just random fireworks set to the theme of whatever, 1980s, or the 1990s, or the 2000s, or whatever random music genre, or whatever. Where it's good fireworks, and the finale is big and loud, and all that. But it doesn't really give you any emotion. I thought that's what was missing here. It was just like, okay, we're going to put a ton of Pixar stuff up and a ton of Pixar music and throw random fireworks up, and people like it. Which, I mean, to be honest, it was good.
Yeah. But we're also spoiled.
Right, and we're also spoiled, like Chase said, with Happily Ever After. Before that we had Wishes, the Galactic Spectacular, even Illuminations, with all the holiday editions that they do are just fantastic. So yeah, we're super spoiled, but I also know they're really limited on what they can do here since it's in a neighborhood area. So that's something that Disneyland has struggled with for a while now. So yeah. Oh. It was good to me. I'm gonna look it up. I think it was Chelsea, but stall real quick. Talk about something.
So I like the show. I feel like the only thing that so I agree with everything Cody said, but there was one moment where in Toy Story 3 where they're going down the fire at the dump, and the aliens come out and save them. And they're the claw, and as soon as they say that, a firework popped.
Right.
So that was good. That was the only thing that caught my eye as far as that stuff.
Yes, Chelsea was the one that's followed me so far. You others don't get mentioned in the vlog because you haven't followed me yet, or you haven't followed us yet. But Chelsea, met Chelsea. Yeah, after the fireworks show.
Yeah. We also
met
watched the show with a couple of friends who hopefully
under test C.
Hopefully we can get an outro from them tomorrow because we're hanging out with them tomorrow as well.
I only know their actual names. I don't know their Instagram.
There's two Alexes, and then under test C, and then her cousin whose name was Paige, I think.
If it's not, you're gonna sound like a jerk.
Well, I mean, I'm right. So.
I don't know their Instagram names.
We'll get an outro from there. We'll get an outro from them tomorrow. But as far as tonight goes, we are exhausted. We've been here since 8 a.m. And
yeah, we've been here 11. So we've been here.
It is almost midnight.
We've been here almost 16 hours.
Yeah. So we're exhausted.
But we've done everything.
There are extra magic hours at DCA. I don't know if we're gonna do that tomorrow, but we have a short day. So hopefully we can do some stuff, hang out with some friends. But as far as tonight goes,
we out this piece.
What the heck?
Hi, I'm under Tessie. I'm based on Disney. My name is Ryan Cummings from Cherry Stream.
I'm Alex in Fantasyland, and you've been watching the Disney Crimlins.
You've been watching the Disney Crimlins.
You're watching the Disney Crimlins.
If you want to know all the right places to go when you go to Disney, follow Disney Crimlins on YouTube and Instagram.